Hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you already know me, then thank you so much for coming back to my channel. But if you're new here, then hi, I'm Tanisha and I make videos about makeup, skincare, product reviews, DIYs and many more. So if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel to support me. In today's video, I'm going to talk about summer special healthy hairspray. This is a 2 ingredients, almost no cost DIY. So let's get started. To make the hairspray, all you need is fresh neem leaves and some drinking water. First, wash the neem leaves under running water so that you can get rid of any dust or mud. Then take a saucepan and take about 1.5 glass of water and take it to a boil. And then adds the green leaves into it. This time reduce the flame so that leaves can simmer slowly. Keep boiling the water until the water becomes greenish yellow and keep stirring it with a spoon. Don't reduce the water more than half a glass, otherwise the hairspray can become a little heavy on your hair. That's it. Now let the neem water cool down at the room temperature. Take a sieve to strain the water and you can store this in the fridge in a bottle until you're using it. To apply this, you need a spray bottle, and for that you can always use a reusable empty spray bottle, or you can use a bottle like this that I am using. And you can use this throughout the day after shampoo, or even after working out. It refreshes your scalp and hair very well. Neem works on your hair in different ways. It can nourishes your scalp, promote hair growth, remove any frizziness, and that's the reason whenever you use this hairspray, it makes your hair looks very smooth and shiny. Not only that, it can reduce dandruff and treat hair lice too. One more thing, you can store this hairspray for 2 to 3 weeks in the refrigerator. While applying, you may feel a very strong smell of neem, but it will not stain your hair as soon as your hair gets dry. So that's all about my easy peasy, no cost, super effective DIY hairspray. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notification on time. I will try to come back super soon. Until then, please take care and stay happy. Bye bye.